You're watching EAC News. Thank you for joining us. Secretary of State and spokesman for the Ministry of Environment, Neth Pheaktra, has reported that over 60,000 traps were removed from within protected areas by park officials of the Ministry of Environment and conservation partners in 2021, in an effort to protect and conserve Cambodia's forests and wildlife. The Secretary of State has said that this is a 20% increase in the number of traps removed compared to 2020. EAC News reporter Sraipor Kong has more.
Secretary of State Neth Pheaktra stated that traps are still a serious threat to all kinds of wildlife, and Cambodia is not the only country with the problem of traps spread across the protected areas. Conserved forest areas in other ASEAN countries like Vietnam, Laos, Indonesia and Malaysia are also threatened by millions of traps. The Secretary of State stressed that these traps are the most threatening factor for wildlife and one of the biggest wildlife killers, since trapping materials are so easily available in market and sold for very cheap. He added that the number of traps is estimated to have increased, and in Asia it is estimated there are more than 12 million traps placed in protected areas across the continent. On behalf of the Ministry of Environment, Secretary of State Neth Pheaktra expressed his appreciation and gratitude to park rangers, partner organizations, and all protected area community who have participated in removal of traps from natural forest areas. He mentioned that rangers have not only patrolled to prevent crime, the destruction of natural resources, and deforestation, but also helped to find, remove, and destroy traps to save wildlife. As a result, much wildlife caught in traps have been rescued and released back into the wild. And for those animals which are found injured or unwell, park officials contact veterinary officials for care and treatment before releasing them back into the wild. In addition to the 61,611 wildlife endangered traps that were removed, rangers also confiscated a total of 758 firearms used to hunt wild animals in 2021. The Secretary of State emphasized that the increase in recycled guns also pose a serious threat to wildlife and that these guns are one of the most dangerous weapons. He further mentioned that chasing dogs also cause harm to wildlife, since some people keep dogs in herd to hunt, which has the secondary effect of spreading disease of domestic dogs to wild animals and killing them in the process. The Secretary of State urged people to stop hunting and trapping animals, stop trading wild animals and consuming wild games, and to not believe that eating these wild animals can substitute for medicine or improve health, as increased human-to-animal contact can increase the risk of spreading other viruses. Sraipor Kong, EAC News.